Hi, I'm Christina Walz from Frazier Industrial Company. I'm the Director of Strategic Production Planning, supporting both manufacturing plants and our sales organization, and I've been with Frazier for 13 years. Frazier is the leading manufacturer of industrial storage racks in North America, with multiple manufacturing facilities across the United States, Canada, and Mexico. We are a custom-built, engineered to order with advanced technology and a complex offering. A lot of our customers have their specific demands in the warehousing industry that they want to curtail to whatever latest technology is available. Our company has been in play for 75 years and has done amazing things, but we are a growing company. And as our company was growing, we needed to be more cohesive across functions and increase visibility of our customer demands and operational capabilities. Some of the key issues that we are facing were within the order fulfillment from our sites to our customers, including planning, manufacturing, sales, engineering, all the way to our customer sites. Since a lot of planning information was done in manual Excel spreadsheets and with a custom homegrown system, our production schedules were done manually by our master scheduler and manually disseminated to the plants. When our new VP of Manufacturing joined us, he really wanted to make a more robust schedule and combine the planning along with the scheduling, ultimately improving customer satisfaction and delivery to the sites. LMA helped us with exactly that. First, the biggest change that I experienced with the help of the LMA team was gaining visibility to each plant schedule within the system. Everyone across the organization can trust the delivery commitments they are seeing on the plant schedule. The second very impressive skill that LMA provided for us was their ability to understand our planning and scheduling concerns and combine it with the use of our system. They collaborated extensively with our IT department to bring a lot of system tools to life that help our plant schedulers, master schedulers, project managers, engineers, and others on a day-to-day basis. So now we're able to see what's going on in manufacturing versus our customer demand and make better decisions. Working with the LMA team was absolutely top-notch and professional. LMA came in and looked under the hood, anywhere from learning what was available in our customer MES system to diving in with our manufacturing teams, our scheduling teams, engineering teams, and project management teams. They came in with the ability to investigate, understand, and comprehend our complexity and help design process improvements. They helped us gain visibility to new dashboards and metrics, showing gaps we have in our schedules. We're able to see where we truly have openings now and not turn away work because we think we have fulfilled capacity. This is actually a new way for Frazier to look at things because it's actually adding another dynamic to our sales team where the pressure is going to be on from manufacturing that says to them, hey guys, we need more work so we can make some really good gains and decisions. A lot of improvements and reports that were developed by LMA have been exactly what my vision was when I first walked in here. I just couldn't do it alone, and it has been an unbelievable pleasure, and I've learned so much from the team. It's the best money you'll ever spend.